Hey everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another video where I will be showing you how you can change your delivery address on your Amazon app. But before we start with our video, do like our video, subscribe our channel, and do share with this video with the ones that also need this. And yeah, let's get started. So first thing, we will go to our Amazon app, and once you open your app, then you will see this profile icon below. Tap on that icon, and finally you will see this option called your account above. Tap on that, and then you will find this your addresses option on the account settings section. Then you will simply tap on that, and here you can simply see this particular interface where you can see these two addresses were added before. So if you want to edit the existing address, you can simply tap on this edit option, and here is the information. You can simply type in your details that you want to change to, or if you want to have a total new address, then you can simply go back and tap on this add a new address option, and here you can type in your new address where you would like to have your delivery. So this is how you can change and create a new address on your Amazon shopping. So I hope this video was helpful and gave you the answers of your questions. And yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and I'll see you guys next time.